front of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this DOOGEE smartphone. First of all, access devices settings. Now scroll down and choose system. Following that, you need to choose languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Over here, click on text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!